This error can strike whenever you try to open a built-in Windows tool. Fortunately, it's not difficult to fix. So first off, if this error shows when accessing File Explorer, you can try to restart the Explorer process. To do so, launch Task Manager, click Processes tab, click Windows Explorer, then choose End Task. After that, click File, choose Run New Task, input explorer.exe, click this checkbox, and click OK to restart Explorer. Next to that, re-register Windows DLL files by opening Command Prompt with the admin rights. Type in the following command, press Enter, wait for it to re-register, and then restart your PC. Moreover, you can try some general fixes like running this into the command prompt, going back to a previous Windows build version, or going back to a previous restore point. And those are the ways on how you can fix the following error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.